Are you wondering why a girl who was once excited to talk to you is now ignoring you? A girl who couldn't spend a day without you now acts like you don't matter to her anymore? Why does this happen? When does it happen? And what should you do about it? I'll explain everything through two key topics, and if you stick with me till the end, you'll see a radical change in how you handle this situation. First thing to understand, this isn't just happening to you, it's part of human psychology. When someone is always available, people stop valuing them. Let's dive into the two most important topics. Why does someone ignore you? How can you regain your value? I'll cover some psychological strategies that can make any woman realize your absence and miss you. 1. Why does someone ignore you? Imagine there's always a glass of water in front of you. Do you really notice it? Probably not, because it's always there. But if you were stuck in a desert, that same glass of water would feel priceless. This is known as the law of scarcity. People value things they can't easily have. When you're always available, she assumes you'll always be there. It's only when you're not around that she might start to miss you. Let's break it down further. Signs she's taking you for granted. Sign 1. She doesn't give you the same time and attention as before. Replies are slower and shorter, from long conversations to just, okay, or acha. Sign 2. You're the one making all the effort. You're always the first to message or call, while she never initiates. Sign 3. She starts avoiding you. She often says she's busy, or talking to friends, or promises to talk later, but never follows up. Sign 4. She only remembers you when she needs something. Whether it's emotional support or boredom, she reaches out only when it benefits her. If you recognize these signs, she's likely taking you for granted. 2. How to regain your value. Step 1. Reduce your availability. Don't reply to messages immediately. Delay calls or meetings sometimes. Stop seeming like you're always free. Step 2. Work on yourself. Hit the gym and improve your personality. Upgrade your style and dressing sense. Focus on your career and personal growth. When you invest in yourself, the world, including her, will start to notice you differently. Step 3. Engage in new activities. Post exciting updates on social media. Go out with friends. Meet new people and enjoy life. When she sees you happy without her, she'll realize what she's missing out on. Step 4. Create a little healthy jealousy. A subtle bit of harmless flirting with others can make her feel competitive. If she notices other girls are interested in you, she might realize your worth. What if she still doesn't care? Even after everything, if she still doesn't appreciate your value, walk away. Invest your time and energy in people who genuinely appreciate you. Remember, no one can be forced to miss you. And if she comes back, make sure your value stays high. Never lower your worth again. Key takeaways from this strategy: reduce your availability, focus on self-improvement, start new exciting activities, create a bit of healthy jealousy, and most importantly, never let anyone undervalue you again. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Fearless and Free channel. This isn't just about getting her back. It's about boosting your confidence and self-worth. Because when you value yourself, others will too.